What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting, and it's Wednesday, so you know the drill. We're gonna show you what's in the shop today. We'll start with this thing behind me. You probably haven't seen one of these before. I've never seen one of these before until yesterday. This is the new Mustang Mach-E, and Patrick is currently installing a ceramic coating. We prepped the car and polished it earlier, but this is the all-electric Mustang SUV. I know that's super weird. Those words usually don't go together, but they do now. Welcome to 2021. So we're gonna be doing a full video on this car, doing a full walkthrough, comparing it to maybe the Tesla Model Y and some of the features that are similar between both of those and some of the differences as well. So make sure you check that out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel on YouTube yet, make sure you do that so you can catch those cool videos. And if you're watching this on Facebook, head over to YouTube and check it out. We've got an F350, yes, 350 Platinum, so it's got massaging seats. That's always exciting. This one's getting paint protection film on the whole front end. In fact, that's already done. Window tint all the way around with the top of the line XPEL XR Plus. That's an IR series film, which means it's designed to block as much heat as humanly possible from coming into the car. We also did the full windshield on this vehicle with a clear film. The owner of this car has a medical condition that he wants to make sure he blocks out as much UV rays as humanly possible. Jimmy has it pretty much looking like a mirror, and we're going to be installing the ceramic coating probably today or tomorrow. The interior is getting coated on that thing too, so lots of work on that truck. My wife's Jeep finally is getting cleaned. Last week we were gonna clean it, and we didn't. But this week it's getting cleaned, and as of Friday, this won't be my wife's Jeep anymore. We got something new and exciting coming. Over here's a CT5V. These things are sweet. We're doing a ceramic coating on it. I'm actually not sure if we tinted the windows on it. I know when it showed up the other day it was already tinted, so good possibility we tinted it a couple of weeks ago or something. No paint protection film on this one. If you haven't seen the CT5V Blackwing that's coming out, those things are awesome. Over here in the tint bay, Brandon and Terrell are working on a GLE. This is an AMG, I think. Is this an AMG?
I don't believe so.
It's got some kind of AMG appearance package though, because it's got the fender flares. We're doing paint protection film on the whole front end of this one, as well as the rocker panels and the rear fender flares. We tinted it all the way around, and we're ceramic coating it with XPEL Fusion Plus. This car is available at Smale Mercedes-Benz for sale, so this is one of their lot vehicles. Go check it out. Our friends at Z&M Harley-Davidson brought us these Tri-Glides. They're both CVO bikes. They are gorgeous, and they're here for paint protection film. So when we do trikes, they have a specific trike package that we do on these. We do the front and tops of this fender back to the light, as well as behind there. The inner fender piece here, this gets beat up pretty bad on these trikes. The top of the trunk, this comes off, and we do underneath there. And where your knees rub on the tank, if you ride, you know what I'm talking about. That gets protected. The front of the tank gets protected, and then everything that's on the front, the what we call the batwing fairing, the whole thing down to the bottom here, the front fenders and the part down there by your knees are protected. This F250 was here for window tint, and you guys have seen this one. Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, this is his C5. He hasn't taken it home yet. That's okay, it's done. I just fell on my face. Woo, woo, she's slick. This F-150 here is getting a cat skin leather interior. Frank's been working on that. We'll show you those seats inside. Over here, you guys I think saw it last week, but Auto Vlogs AMG is here, and it was in desperate need of a paint correction. We did that. We ceramic coated the car. We retinted the front marker lights there. They were starting to peel. So that one's ready to go home, and Mike should be picking that up, I think today or tomorrow, depending on weather. That's where we're stuck right now. So that's it for what's going on in the shop this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next week.